Now students, just now we discussed about catenation. What is catenation? The unique property of carbon atoms, the unique property of self-linking of carbon atoms through covalent bonds, to form long straight chain or branch chain and rings of different size is called catenation. And carbon shows the property of catenation, self-linking of carbon atoms. One carbon can link with other carbon atom, the second carbon can link with third carbon atom. This way it can form long straight chain compound, branch chain compound or rings of different size. So large number of carbon compounds are there or large number of organic compounds are there. Now why carbon shows the property of catenation to a large extent? There is three reasons behind it. What is that? First, small size. Size of carbon atom is small. Why? Because carbon configuration is 2,4. Electrons are filled in 2 shells only. So, the size of carbon is small. Size of carbon is small. So, the shared pair of electrons between two carbon atoms, this shared pair of electrons between two carbon atoms is tightly, strongly held by the nucleus of carbon atom, because of which the bond which carbon forms with other carbon atom or with some other elements are strong, making it exceptionally stable. So, why carbon shows catenation to large extent? Because of its small size. Because of its small size, the shared pair of electrons between two carbon atoms is held strongly by carbon atom. So, the bond which carbon forms with other carbon atom or with some other elements are strong. So, the compound which it forms is exceptionally stable. Okay, so carbon shows the property of catenation to large extent. First, small size. Second, because of small size, students, the shared pair of electrons between two carbon atoms is strongly held by the nucleus of carbon atom. So, the bond which is formed between two carbon atom is strong. The bond which is formed between two carbon atoms is strong. So, second reason is great strength of carbon-carbon bond. And third reason why carbon shows catenation to a large extent is its unique electronic configuration, that is 4 electron in its outermost shell. So, it can link with 4 other carbon atoms. That 4 carbon again can link with 4 other carbon atoms. So, because of this unique electronic configuration, small size, great strength of carbon-carbon bond, because of these 3 reasons, carbon shows catenation to a large extent, because of which there is large number of carbon compounds or there is large number of organic compounds. Okay, so third reason, unique electronic configuration. Okay, so what is catenation, students? The unique property of self-linking of carbon atoms. How? Through covalent bonds to form long straight chain compounds or branch chain compounds or rings of different size. This property of carbon atom is called catenation. And why carbon shows catenation to a large extent? 3 reasons. First, small size. Because of small size, the shared pair of electrons between two carbon atoms is strongly held by the nucleus of carbon atom, and so the bond which is formed between two carbon atoms is strong. So second reason, great strength of carbon-carbon bond. So why carbon-carbon bonding is strong? Why? Because of small size. Because of small size, the shared pair of electron between two carbon atoms is held strongly. So the carbon-carbon between carbon-carbon, the bond formed is strong. And third, unique electronic configuration. It has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So it can link with 4 other carbon atoms. And that 4 can again link with 4 other carbon atoms. So the number of carbon compounds formed is large. There are large number of carbon compounds, or there are large number of organic compounds. Now 3 more reasons are there behind why carbon forms large number of organic compounds. So first main reason is catenation. So students, in the next class I will discuss about the other 3 reasons why carbon forms large number of organic compounds. Okay.